Welcome to the northern part of Kingscliff, and we're flying our drone and we're taking the skies and we're having a look at a building called a Sea View, which is just that. This building has great sea views. It's located in the northern part of Kingscliff, opposite the beachfront esplanade. As we go inside this unit that's on the top floor at the front, there are 9 units in this building, 6 at the front which have ocean views and 3 at the back which don't have any ocean views at all. It's got a large balcony to the front of the building, as I said, overlooking that esplanade and overlooking the beach. This unit is on the top floor, so it's a premium position. Inside the property there's ceiling fans in every room, also air conditioner in the lounge dining room as well. Here's another view of the lounge dining. As we go through the kitchen, we can see we've got stainless steel appliances, double bowl sink, dishwasher as well, and ceramic cooktop. Just off the living area is the main bedroom, which also enjoys ocean views. There's a walk-in robe to the main bedroom, also ensuite bathroom with bath, separate shower and toilet. Then we go down the hallway to the second bedroom. It's got a mirrored built-in robe, main bathroom adjacent. It's a combined bathroom laundry, and it's also got a separate toilet. Then going downstairs to the basement level under the building, there's security car space for 1 vehicle which is accessed off the rear lane, and there's also a garden shed at the back of the car space. If you'd like more information on viewing this property and times set for viewing, then please call the staff at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information, visit the website at salesandrentals.com.au. Are you thinking of moving to Kingscliff? Then a great resource for information about our town is the Kingscliff app. The Kingscliff app is a directory of Kingscliff and has been produced by the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals as a local business and community initiative. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to check out all that's offering Kingscliff, including dining, shopping, schools, removalists, services and events. Download the Kingscliff app free today in iTunes or Google Play, or by scanning the QR codes on your screen will lead you directly to the Kingscliff app.